Neon lights burning bright as the day. Whiskey whispers stories never told. A harmony of hearts that never fade away. Strings of life playing in the cold. Dusty boots walking down these streets. Faded dreams in the rhythm of blues. Every step's a heartbeat time can't defeat. Moonlight tales in lovers' cues. Midnight in Nashville where the stars align. Voices echo through time's long vine, singing songs of love lost and found. In this city where hearts are always bound.